Within word sort 41 has words that end in CE, VE, and SE. You'll sort them accordingly. The first word is bounce. Please don't bounce in your seat. Bounce. The next word is glove. You will wear a glove on each hand when it's cold to keep your hands warm. Glove. Leave. Please do not leave until the bell rings. Leave. Notice those words, glove and leave, end in the VE, while bounce ends in CE, and they're sorted based on what they end the word in. The next word is cheese. I like cheese on my pizza. It ends in SE, so it'll be sorted in the SE column. Choose. Choose wisely. Choose. The next word is dance. We have a school dance twice a year. Dance. Fence. There is a fence around our garden. Fence. Raise. Please raise your hand to answer the question. Raise. The next word is shove. Shove ends in VE, so we sorted in that column. Please don't shove when you're in line. The next word is prove. Please prove your answer by using the text. The next word is glance. If you glance at the word quickly, you can see how it ends, and that's how you sort the word. The next word is tease. Please do not tease someone with candy and then not follow through. Piece. This piece, P-I-E-C-E, is like a piece of candy or a piece of gum. It ends in C-E. The next word is peace, as in we would like a world for everyone to get along and have peace. It's sorted also in the same column because they both end in CE. The next word is solve. Please solve the math problem and place the answer on the blank. How about wise? If you are very wise, you are very knowledgeable. The next word is prince. The Prince of England will be a ruler one day. The last word is 12. There are more than 12 words this week, but there will only be 12 on the quiz. Good luck on the quiz.